Oh hey! Yat Keshmish. Merry Christmas. And welcome to Daybreak Warrior's Navajo Word of the Day. To continue our Christmas theme of food preparation verbs, we're going to learn how to say, I'm rinsing it in Navajo. To say that, you'd say, ba naash'eeł. Ba naash'eeł. I'm rinsing it. To say I'm rinsing the apple, you would say, bilasana ba naash'eeł. Bilasana ba naash'eeł. To say you rinse the potatoes, a command, you would say namasi ba naash'eeł. Namasi ba naash'eeł. To say my mom is rinsing the beans, I'd say shema naash'eeł ya naash'eeł. Shema naash'eeł ya naash'eeł. Now you can use that verb for rinsing other things like a vehicle or rinsing dishes. Tleitza ba naash'eeł. And that is today's Navajo word of the day, ba naash'eeł. I'm rinsing it. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. Nijanago keshmish dat do